Guys, welcome into Ranimal Media. We're going to take a look at this video. This is Reed Timmer. He's a meteorologist, and there's a fire tornado ripping through here. Let's watch this. Check this out. I haven't seen this yet.
There they are, Lions Firenados.
Firenado.
Here it comes. Firenado in the middle. Fire whirls.
Check that out. Wow.
There it is, fire whirls. I'm just to the west of Mineola.
There's a Reed Timmer right there.
Smoke plume advancing.
I left a link to his channel in the description of the video. You guys want to go support him. He does storm chasing and all sorts of different things.
It's not safe here.
It's not safe here. Wow. Looks very dry out there.
Time to roll. We got ash coming down out here.
He says there's a lot of ash coming down. That's smoke and ash.
Big flames. Heroes here trying to battle it. It is coming in toward Mineola, folks. There it is, bailing out. Big smoke starting to cover the whole area. Getting out of here. Firefighters just went into that zone, headed back toward Englewood. There's a massive fire floor that is approaching Englewood, Kansas. We're gonna have to retreat to town. Already got some flames.
We're gonna have to retreat to town.
Already saw a fire whirl from close range before we escaped. Let's have an easterly escape route given the orientation of the plume. I'm still just to the west of Englewood, Kansas. We've got teams of firefighters trying to battle the advancing firestorm. The fire plume here mixes down big winds, and they also converge around the plume. So we have got some major winds, even flying debris in there, flying embers as the fire continues to propagate eastward. Very dangerous situation.
Dangerous.
In Englewood, Kansas, as this fire is going to prop. It's already starting to hit that dry vegetation right there.
Alright guys, washing my monitor screen. Be dusting it. I want to see everything real good and clear. Welcome in to Ranimal Media. Thanks guys. We're watching a Reed Timmer at a fire tornado.
To the west of Englewood, Kansas.
Englewood, Kansas.
For this rental vehicle for the chase today. Dangerous fire weather conditions happening to the west of Englewood. There's a farmhouse that is threatened just to the south of the county road, and you can see the orange glow right there. I just went into that.
That's crazy looking.
In there. The winds subside just outside of the plume and inside, likely gusting greater than 70 miles an hour as you get a little bit of mixing down of those winds. But a very apocalyptic.
Yeah, the wind is definitely moving.
Englewood, Kansas, with evacuation orders in place.
I have more information about this in the description of the video. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to Ranimal Media. I appreciate it.
See the plume coming toward me, lining it up with the wind. I'm just to the west of Englewood, Kansas. This thing is rapidly advancing toward my position. I know there's a big firestorm in there. It's hitting some.
We're watching Reed Timmer.
Start to rise, and then the rash.
He's a meteorologist. He does weather chasing and different videos, weather-related events.
It's about to hit.
Make sure you guys subscribe to Ranimal Media. We'll be following him around and other storm chasers from time to time. That's crazy. Can't see across the road. You definitely don't want to breathe that in.
Looking for the orange fire whirls in there, just to the other side of the smoke. Watch the left edge, just like a tornado. The firestorm is right there. You can see the rapidly moving smoke.
You can see tumbleweeds.
And ash begins to come out. I'm watching the left edge of the plume, and it's headed toward my location. And that area is getting burned in there. We're about to see flames emerge. Rapidly advancing smoke plume here west of...
Whoa.
We are now engulfed in the plume, looking west. Flames, you can hear them. You can hear the firestorm. Just to the west of Englewood.
Can't see anything down there. Oh shoot, they had a dozer down there too. A road grader. Can't see anything. I don't know how the firemen are doing anything. Look at the wind blowing his high-vis suit. That's crazy.
To the south, coming in here. Dangerous conditions. It almost look like pyrocumulus towers in there.
That looks like a tornado. Look at that.
Strongly tilted fire whirls at the base. Big winds right there. Look at that.
It's going right over that farmer guy's field.
Wind shear. You can start to see the orange of the flames about to pop. This thing looks like it's coming into Englewood.
Wow. That's a lot of smoke. The fire's so big you don't know where it is. You can't see it. That's scary. Look at that.
Lots of people evacuating town here. Get the equipment out. Farmers.
Wow, look at that, guys.
Smoke coming into Englewood here. Big winds. Debris.
Wow.
It's getting extremely dangerous here in Englewood with a massive smoke plume now completely enveloping town. Winds gusting 50.
Reed Timmer's doing his Jim Cantori.
There's the main plume starting to backfill a little bit off to the south.
Smash that like.
This is creating a dangerous situation where it could choke off the southerly escape route. But you can definitely see the smoke just ripping in here. I'm concerned that the firestorm is about to come in to Englewood, Kansas here. Ridiculous. You can see the dirt getting swept across the ground out here. All the west side of Englewood is now engulfed in flames.
Oh, it's so dark up there. He's driving in it.
There's the two tankers getting ready to battle the firestorm if it does come in. I'm now on the north side of Englewood. You can see a team of firefighters on the north side. That is where the plume has arrived. They are battling the plume on the north side of Englewood, hoping that it doesn't spread back into town. I am right on the north
How are
side
they
of
battling
the
it?
post office here
That's
in Englewood.
crazy. How do they know where to put the water?
Just on the north
How
side
can
of
they see?
Englewood, there is the burning flames. Crazy roar of the plume can be heard. It's
Make
right
sure you guys
here.
leave a comment in the video. Let me know what you guys think about the video.
Southeast into the area here. I'm right on the north side of Englewood. Tracking this plume, which is heading off just on the north side of Englewood.
Be sure to share Ranimal Media. Trying to grow this community, guys. I appreciate it. Like, share, and make sure to subscribe. Means a lot to me.
Trying to work that fire
More than you know.
tractor up in there.
Thank you, guys. Almost can't see the lights on the trucks. Ox 59.
See those rapid flames in there?
Oh, it's so dark up
Rapid
there.
movement to the smoke, being driven by those big winds, folks. Here it comes to the west of Mineola. Gonna have to race east here any second. Look at that.
Look how dark it is.
There you can see the main plume of the fire. This is to the west of Mineola right now. Big time winds. You can see how quick the smoke plume is moving right there. Almost looks like a wedge tornado. And we've got firefighters that are setting up here, getting ready to battle the flames.
It's crazy. Whoa. It was like they're evacuating.
Coming down out here. Coming off to the north.
It's like it's wrapped all around them. You can't see.
Firefighters racing north now. Coming off the flames. I'm gonna have to
Definitely not safe to be driving around down there. Like Reed says, he needs to get moving. Sitting around's not safe either. Reed's a professional. He puts himself in harm's way to video and report on Weather Channel related stuff. I left his link in the description below. You guys want to go support his channel and see what he does.
Edge of the plume down there. Here it comes.
Well, thanks for joining me in this video, everybody. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to Ranimal Media. Thanks. Have a good day.